10th of August 2021, we have Emännäntie 34 stakes A here in Laajamo, in one of the suburbs of Jyväskylä here in Keski-Suomi, Emännäntie, Finland. The Signature Original today and being 6 fixtures by Kone, built in 1971, turning 50 years old this year in 2021. It's recent finish actually, and the best H3 per 2 photographs will be inspected in the next year, 2022. The serial number is H2 5553 with 4 floors, and that's right. Maybe it's bond driven.
Yeah.
Oh, it's abruptly. I wasn't expecting it.
Yeah.
Friction.
Yeah. Tippaakin väiskyttää. Meidän temppai GS-hissityö.
Some local generic maybe.
Yeah. Portable, it's rare.
Yes. I don't think that many would rely on them.
Yeah.
This is an exception.
Yeah. Somebody's coming.
Yeah.